Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to set up screen lock on Xiaomi Redmi Note Pro. So what you have to do, obviously you have to go to your settings, open up your phone and then go to your settings, open your setting like that, and then you scroll down until you can find this password and security, and then you tap it on that and there is an option of screen lock. There are three options of screen lock. The one is pattern, and then the second one is pin, and the third one is password. So for me myself, I do prefer pin, since I will use my personal identification number, same with my computer and then also my ATM. So for this example, I will choose pin, and then remember, you have to remember the pin. If not, you have to reset your phone and lose all your data and log out from all your browser and your application, and then click got it, and then you type in any pin. Just once again, I suggest you to make sure you remember your pin. Okay, that's it. This is the tutorial. You just follow which one the screen lock that's suitable for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.